Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In today's English class, we are going to see a new lesson from our literature reader. Before seeing the lesson, we will have some warm-up activity. Okay? So, when you will get your shadows? During the morning or midday or at the afternoon? Yes, usually when the sun is there in the morning, we will get the shadow on different sides. When it at the afternoon, you will get the shadow in the different way. Is that all the shadows are same? No, it will be differ according to the sunlight. Now we are going to see a lesson related to the shadow only. The lesson name is The Boy with Two Shadows. So how many shadows you will get when you stand before the sun? We will get only one shadow. In this lesson, the boy is getting two shadows. Shall we move on to the lesson, children? Yes. The Boy with Two Shadows. This is your literature reader third lesson. There was once a little boy who took great care of his shadow. He looked after his buttons and shoes and all the things that belonged to him. But he took special care of his shadow because he knew he had only one. He took so much care of his shadow that a witch noticed this. So there was one little boy. What he used to do, he always used to care for his shadow. Shadow means what? Nidal. Okay. So he used to care for his shadow, and because he is having only one shadow. We people will have how many shadows, children? We will have only one shadow. So while taking care of these shadows, a witch. Witch means what? We will say Sunyakari, right? So a witch was watching the boy. I have been watching you, she said. I like the way you look after your shadow. The thing is, I'm going away on a holiday for a few days. I need someone to watch over my shadow while I'm away. But I don't want to give it to just anyone. I want to leave it with you. The boy did not want to argue with the witch. So what this witch is saying? The witch is saying to the boy that she is going somewhere. So in that time, her shadow need to be taken care by the boy. So the boy is also accepting what the witch is saying without any argument. All right, he said, but please come back soon. The witch gave him a wicked smile, though she was really trying to be nice. If you look after my shadow well, she promised, you can have. So, what the witch is doing? Can you able to see the image of the witch? This is the witch and this is the boy. So this boy is saying to the witch that she has to return back soon. And also the witch, what she told? The witch told that if you take care of my shadow very well, you can have your own very own magic spell. So what the boy say, witch is saying? The witch is saying to the boy, if you take care of my shadow, see, you will get a magic spell. Magic spell means what? When you want to put magic on that, before that you will say something abracadabra, like that. That word is called as magic spell. She fastened her shadow to the boy's shadow. Then she got on her broom and flew away. The boy now had two shadows. One was his own, the other was the angry, bent, thorny shadow of the witch. In the next few days, he had nothing but trouble with it. It was the worst behaved shadow in the world. When the little boy went to a shop to buy some apples, the witch's shadow went in and out among the shadows of the fruits. It pulled out the shadows of all oranges and put them in the shadows of the peaches. So, after that, what happened? After saying that she will give the boy the magic spell, the witch had flew away in the broom. Broom means can you able to see in Harry Potter and all, Harry Potter movie and all, you can able to see they will fly in the with the help of a broom. Okay. So after that, now this boy is already having only one shadow, but now the witch has given him another one shadow of her. So now he is having two shadows. Okay, for few days it went normal. After that, what happened? The witch shadow started to trouble the boy. When the boy go to the fruit shop, the witch started to do some mischievous activities, that making all the shadows of the oranges and put them all in the peaches shadows. How can I sell oranges that don't have shadows? And who's going to buy peaches which have the shadows of oranges? I simply can't let the witch shadow wander about on its own, thought the boy. And he rushed out of the shop without the apples. At home, all through tea, the witch's shadow stretched itself long and leaped across the walls. Really, said the boy's mother, I can't enjoy my tea with that strange thing dancing on the walls. You will have to put it away. But the boy knew he must look after the witch shadow. Soon he learned to keep it from getting into mischief, and at last it could not find anything wicked to do. This made the shadow very angry. One day it thought of some new and mean tricks. It began to pinch and tease and bite the little boy's own shadow. So this boy was very much angry with this witch shadow's activity. So after that, they returned back to the home. When the mom is preparing tea for the boy, when they are having the tea, the witch shadow stretched itself long and leaped across the walls. When you stand near the light, you can see your shadow in the wall. But the wall, the mom can able to see the wicked witch shadow in a big. Okay. So this was very long and she can't able to have the tea in a pleasant way. So she got tensed and she told the boy to take away the shadow from that place. So after that, what happened? This boy has came to know the thing of this wicked witch, and he started to manage that mischievous activities of this witch. And after that, by controlling the mischievous activity of the witch got angry on the boy, and she started to make some tricks to overcome that. The witch shadow pushed the boy's shadow into a dusty places and stepped on its heels as they hurried down the road. This went on for many days. The boy's shadow could not take this any longer. One day, when the boy was on his way home, he saw witch shadow pinch his own smaller shadow with its long fingernails. The boy's shadow leapt on the air and broke away from the boy's feet. Then it flew down the road like a great black beetle. The boy ran after it, but it was no more to be seen. Now the boy had only one shadow again, but it was the wrong shadow. He felt sad and lonely. So what happened? The witch shadow pushed the boy's own shadow. So when he pushed the own shadow, the boy's shadow has become like a beetle. Beetle means what? Bundle. So it becomes like a beetle and it moved away from that place. The boy was running behind the shadow, but he could not able to see the shadow. So now the boy is having only how many shadows? He is having only one shadow, which is not a good shadow, because his own shadow has been ran away from that boy. Many days went by, and then one day the witch came back. Thank you for looking after my shadow, she said, and took it back. Now, said the witch very cunningly. Cunningly means what? Cruelly, that she knows what has happened. A spell for you. Here is the spell for you. It's pill. If you swallow the pill, you can turn yourself into a camel. Any sort of camel. What a useless spell, thought the boy. But he did not tell that to the witch. Could I have my own shadow back, please? Well, my dear, said the witch, nothing is easy, you know. I said I would give you a spell and now you have one. I don't have much time. So goodbye, little boy. After that, after a long time, the witch has returned back to the boy and the boy has given her shadow to her. And after that, the cunningly, what this witch has did, the witch is telling that what you want. She is giving one pill. Pill means what? Small tablet. Okay, you can able to see the tablet. Small tablet. She is giving that pill. If you take this, you will become into a camel. Camel means whatever color you want, you can become like a camel. But the boy, what the boy is asking, he is asking that he wants to get his own shadow. So he is requesting. For that, the witch is saying that nothing is easy. You know, I said I would give you a spell. Now you have one. I don't have much time. And he is saying goodbye to the little boy. Now the boy walked sadly down the street. It was a bright moonlight night and everything had its shadow. Only he didn't have one. Then something wonderful happened. As he walked through the gate, something moved softly and slowly, as if it was ashamed. So after that, this boy is moving to the street very sadly because he has lost his shadow, right? In the moonlight, he can able to see something is moving along with him very softly and slowly, as if it was ashamed. And the boy பார்க்கவே கஷ்டமா வந்து மூவ் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. அது என்னன்னு பார்க்கறான். Of his own shadow slid out from among the other shadows and moved shyly towards him. It walked along with him just as it had always done. The boy thought for a moment. He did not have the witch shadow anymore. He had a magic trick that could turn him into any sort of camel he wanted to be. And now he had his own shadow back again. So he was so pleased that he did a strange little dance in the moonlight while this shadow danced beside him. So after that, he can able to see his own shadow was coming to him in a shyly manner. After that, this boy is having one spell right to become a camel. After that, what happened? The shadow also joined with the boy, and this boy he started to dance in the moonlight, and the shadow was also dancing along with him in the moonlight. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson, children. See, I am sending the worksheet along with the video. You can write the worksheet in your English